So I'm going to show you how to design the logo that you've seen on my thumbnail. I really want to talk about logo designing in Photoshop. I'll be using Photoshop to do this, but if you don't have Photoshop, don't worry, you can come here to the browser and search in photopea.com and you click enter. It will take you direct to Photopea. Photopea looks like Photoshop, but Photoshop is more advanced. What I'm coming to show you, you can do all those in Photopea. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to do, let's create it. So now let's give it a size of, there are so many size presets here, but let's give ours a custom size. Make sure that this is in pixels. Let's make it 800 800. I love to put my designs in 800, in size of 800, because if you see, because 800 sizes that are of 800, images or photos or pictures that are in 800, if you put them on your profile, it suits your profile exactly, either on Instagram or even WhatsApp status. If you go to status, if you see the status, that small box there, or YouTube, Facebook profile, even YouTube, all of them. So that's why I like to put it like as 800, but you can put the preset as any other number. So let's get into the text. This here, so now we have it. So I'm using a font called Spantaron, and we will reduce the pixel to 72 pixels. So let me write in. So this is H, right? This is H, and you can press on enter, or you click that small correct there. So once we've achieved this, come tab again and write in P. Like that. Nice. So to take P, to move it, you click on this, take it, drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it. So we have HP, right? So these two, to move them, this one is already selected, that's why we are able to move it only the P, because it's the one selected. So if you want to move both of them together, you click on Control and click H2, bring them maybe somewhere in the center, So now let's take our box here. There are so many shapes you can choose, but right now we need the rectangle. Draw it. So let's put our rectangle under our letters, so that our letters will be on top of it in the design. So right now they are all having the same color, that's why that's not affecting. So we have, let's make it no color, the background is transparent, then the stroke will be black, and we have to increase that a bit. Maybe 5. Nice, that's it. So what I need to do is to arrange this properly. So here, to make our logo, to put our logo in the center, or to have better alignment, come to view here, go to new guide, let's say 50% vertical, then go back to view again, new guide, 50% horizontal, tick in horizontal here, 50% horizontal. So now our Photoshop will guide us to put it to the middle. So select Control or Shift and click this one, the P up there, so that it will select all of them, so that you will be able to move all of them at once. So let's move it. You see it sticks, meaning it's in the middle. Or you can read this small thing here, this small reading it is showing you the space from the middle or above, or it's showing you the space from the middle in inches. So now we've achieved our logo in less than 5 minutes. This is very fast. We've achieved our logo in less than 5 minutes. This is awesome. So we already have our logo. If you want to add something there, you can add it. If you want to subtract something, you can subtract it. If you want to change the font or even put it in a circle sort of, you can do all that. So let's get to saving it. So save as. So if you save it at the moment, it's at .psd, meaning it will be saved as a PSD file. If you open it, it will open Photoshop, but I want to save it as an image, so I'll click on the drop down, JPG, location desktop. Let's name it as HP Force Photoshop tutorial. Let's save it. Let's go ahead and open it. Photoshop first tutorial. Okay. So that's the design. That's the thing we've designed in less than 5 minutes. So all you need to have is creativity. You have to be creative in order to design some stuffs. With creativity, you can design things in less than 5 minutes, or in less than 2 minutes. You can design things with creativity. So that's it for this video. Subscribe for more. Bye.